So in my computer keyboard I created a reversed angle symbol. So I opened the Microsoft Word and I created this symbol, reversed angle symbol. So how to create this symbol I will show you in this video. For doing this you must go to your computer keyboard and you can see this is the number lock key. So you must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see this is the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10659. So after typing 10659 you can release your finger from this alt key. Now you can see that this symbol, that is the reversed angle symbol, have been created in our Microsoft Word in Windows computer using this keyboard shortcut method. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.